no sight quite like it in all of sports.
Tell me when.
Okay. All right. Oh. So tomorrow we were going to go on a bike ride on an awesome track that literally is right in back of our RV, literally in back of it. But we've discovered, and you can look around, it looks like we'll be able to come tomorrow for $10 a person if it doesn't rain, sit in them upper stands. We'll bring our hearing protection, we'll bring our binoculars. All of these here are the pits for the race. So Sue will get to hear 20 or 30 Indy cars thundering down here. She won't believe it. No one ever does the first time they hear it. And we're gonna be able to pack a lunch, and you can bring alcohol. We are gonna have a great time tomorrow, and that's the beauty of RV and being retired, is you can change your plans in an instant.
Yeah, sure.
Looking pretty good, hon.
I'll give you the 5 and I'm getting going.
You're a pretty good looking IndyCar driver.
All you're going to do is accelerate.
If you want to sit on the side.
So, you know, the trouble with women IndyCar drivers, though, is that they always insist on
Gotta take my
they got to take their purse,
We need a
and it's
purse
just, it distracts them, you know?
There you go. It's this would be like pull me by my feet and drag me across the ground.
Wow.
My butt.
Yeah, we did see a little bit of that this morning. We watched the TV.
So looking at Mark.
X-Track has been on every single IndyCar winner's car since the year 2000. It has been at Indy since the late 1980s. Tell me that isn't a gearbox company that knows what the hell they're doing.
taking pictures of Aaron Rodgers' girlfriend. No, of Danica. Aaron Rodgers happens to be her boyfriend. My mom told me that.